So I figured I'd go ahead and do cold fan start thing. So here we start with this 1989 Galaxy. Start off on low. Go to medium. And high. And off. Not too bad. Do the next one. Next up, this 96-97 Lasco 3723. So here's low. Medium. High. And off. Boy, it's cold out here. Okay, now for the 1970s Hoover. This thing sounds awesome when it starts up. No low, no medium, just high. So off we go. Or as Harley would say, OFS goes off. Harley and Esky now, I guess. This thing sounds cool when it warms up. Oh, really loud fan too. But anyway, on to the next fan. Oh, there goes the blades. A 1971 Windsor P23. Here's low. Go to medium. And of course high. these cold starts are making me freaking cold. Oh well. Spin down shorter because it's colder and stuff. Sometimes the blades get out of balance. Not on this one though. So, next fan. This one's kind of a pain to do, but anyway. The 1975 first gen Lakewood P223. Here's low. Well, that could get annoying after a while. Thank you. And it's getting faster, faster, faster. Here's medium sun. High. And OFF spells off. See how long this one goes down for. Not very long. 1999 to 2000, Alaska 3733. Well, here's low. The one from, well, the motor in it's from Esky Wolf. Go to medium now. And here's high. And off. Yeah, short coast down. Again, motor's freezing cold. Just like me right now. And the blade's unbalanced. Anyway, 1970s Eskimo. So, start off on low. I think that's low. Yep. They all run slow because, well, the motors are cold. That's just how they work. Here's high. And OFF spells off. They have a short coast down too. Not as short as some of them though, but shorter than normal it looks like. Usually this thing coasts down for a good minute at least. Not this time. Mid-80s Edison Thin and Light. Yeah, so here we go with low. These things don't ever hesitate, I tell you. Still slower than normal. Go to high. OFF spells off. I don't know why it does that. I need to look into it. And the light's going dim again. Woohoo. Whatever. Probably has the longest coast down though. The Lakewood S23. No idea what year it's from. That sounds kind of annoying. Go ahead and go to medium. There we go. And high speed. And OFF spells off. Boy, my hands are freezing cold. And somehow I got blood drawn. Don't know how that happened. Whatever. Happens to the best of us. And this is actually one of the longer spin downs. So, one more and that's it for the lot. Well, for the final one I was going to do the home art, but I think the cord needs replaced finally. So, in its place will be the Dominion. Here we go with low. Boy, that's slow. It's getting there. Go to high. It did start up in the end at least. Anyway, OFF spells off. Making my lamp cold. Stupid thing. Not the fan, the lamp. Spin down is a hell of a lot shorter on this thing. As the lamp brightens back up. So anyway, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed.